Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. I wanted to add in extra seating into my living room, so I opted for these bright, beautiful, colorful pillows from Tromlycs. The pillows not only provide you with a chance to have to get up off the floor, but they're super comfortable and they provide extra seating. The first thing you'll notice about these pillows is the really thick memory foam inside that makes them super soft and squishy and very comfortable. The fabric is a thick woven textured fabric, and on the back it has slip-proof grids so that the pillows don't slip when you're trying to get up or sitting down. The memory foam inside is really squishy and makes them very comfortable, as I mentioned, and they have a tufted look that really makes them look really pretty in appearance as well. These are great for kids that want to sit on the floor, or if you just want to be able to chill and watch some TV or read, and they really provide lots of fun seating for extra guests and company that might come over and want to chill on your floor as well. I really love the big size of these as well as how comfortable that they are thanks to that memory foam. These pillows are easy to store. They're great as an option to add in extra seating for your space, and they're bright and colorful and durable as well. But that's my point of view.